In this video, I'll show you how to change password on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphones, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Facebook account. This is our Facebook account right now. So you're going to click on this, right? Click on this settings and privacy. Click on the settings. Wait for it to load up, right? So yeah, this is the page that you'll be sent to once you have clicked on what I showed you right now. So click on this personal details. Wait for it to load up. It's going to open up right now. So from here, you're going to see a whole lot of different options, right? Profiles, connected experiences, password and security, personal details, information. So click on this password and security, right? You can see from here, you can see change password, this, right? All this, right? So you're going to click on this right now. And yeah, you'd be told to select an account, choose an account to make changes. So you're going to choose this account. So because it's a tutorial video, I'm not going to be changing my password, but this is how you're going to change yours if you want to do that for any reasons. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next